In 1991, our very own Capercaillie gave a 400-year-old walking song a facelift and took it to a much wider audience.
It's a typical walking song and is very typical of that kind of percussive, rhythmic thing.
And what was it about that particular walking song that drew you to it?
That was around about 1991, which was around about the same time as big world music albums like Paul Simon's Graceland. And I suppose to a certain extent we were trying to find a way of taking traditional songs, Gaelic songs, out of specific kind of folk genre and making it sound more kind of contemporary.
And I mean, what you did, you changed the metre of it as well, didn't you? Because originally it would have been So why the decision to kind of square it off, if you like, and put it more in a kind of a four time?
Well, I suppose to be blunt, we were looking at ways of making a track kind of, more dancey. The lyrics obviously are in Gaelic, and that wouldn't have meant a lot to a lot of people. So did you have to kind of base the arrangement on the fact that it was going to be, a lot of people weren't going to be looking for something out of the words of the song?
Making it more accessible, you mean, to people who didn't understand.
Yeah, I think that makes it sound like we thought a lot of people would be listening to it. I mean, we never. We
had a mighty plan.
It was just another.
Plan.
It was just another record, really. It's what we were doing, and we thought that it was exciting to us to make that piece of music, and that was the most important thing.
Sarevo am huiliara Gane herre Bachor